William was 28 years old and he was living a strange half-life with his Welsh lodger Spike. William had a shop called The Travel Book. One day, a famous actress called Anna Scott walked in and met him. Later that day, the man was on the street with an orange juice and went straight into a woman. The orange juice ran down her shirt. She was Anna Scott. He brought her to his house and gave her a shirt. Before leaving William's house, Anna kissed him and then left. Few days later, they met to have a tea, but he had to pass himself off as a reporter to be with Anna. Then he invited her to his sister's birthday. They have a lot of fun at the birthday party. Everyone got so excited when they met Anna, especially his sister Bella. After the celebration, Anna and William left the house and got into a private garden. The woman kissed him, truly this time, and they sat on a seat with a love text. At that moment, she told him that some people stay together forever. The following evening, William and Anna went to a restaurant, but when they heard some men talking bad about her, they left for the Ritz Hotel. Anna went first to her room, and then William followed her. When he reached there, she told him that he had to leave because her boyfriend was there. His heart ached because he didn't know she had a boyfriend. Anna didn't know he was there, as she thought they had broken up a long time ago, even though the press thought they were still together. William was concerned about his feelings, so he decided to talk about them with his friends during the dinner. So that he forgot what had happened with Anna, his friends introduced him to different girls so that he could find a partner and not feel alone. The morning after their last dinner, Anna went to his house. That morning, some photos and an old video had been published in which Anna appeared. She explained that this happened when she was poor and that she didn't know it at the time. So she had come to him for comfort. He spent the whole day at William's house, and the next morning, because of Spike's fault, a lot of reporters appeared in front of William's house searching for Anna. She left this house angry because she thought Spike contacted them on purpose to get money. One day, at the beginning of autumn, William was working at the bookshop when Honey came into it and told him that she had got the telephone number of Anna Scott's office located in New York. Sometime later, Anna returned to Notting Hill for the recording of another film, and she visited William's shop to ask William if he wanted to try it again, but he rejected her. Later that day, when he was with his friends, he realized that he had made a mistake and he tried to find her with the help of his friends. Anna was in a hotel doing a press conference before returning to the United States. With the help of Honey, William managed to get into the room where Anna was. He heard that the journalist asked her about her relationship with him and that she told him that they were just friends. When Jeremy, Anna's manager, asked if there were any other questions, William raised his hand and asked if there was a chance to be more than friends, and she said yes. Later, another journalist asked her how long she planned to stay there, to which she replied that for a long time. Finally, they got married and William began to get used to his new life with the help of Anna. A year later, in a garden in Notting Hill, on a simple wooden seat, William sits reading. Anna is lying next to him, looking out over the gardens. She looks calm and happy. From time to time, her hand moves slowly over the baby growing inside